The importance of proper wheel alignment for your vehicle. Proper wheel alignment is crucial for ensuring the safe and efficient operation of your vehicle. It not only affects your driving experience, but also impacts tire wear, fuel efficiency, and overall vehicle performance. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore what wheel alignment is, why it's essential, and the potential consequences of ignoring this critical aspect of vehicle maintenance. Welcome to Auto V Fix, our YouTube channel exclusively dedicated to all things automotive. In today's video, we'll be delving deep into the importance of proper wheel alignment for your vehicle. Understanding wheel alignment. Wheel alignment refers to the precise adjustment of a vehicle's suspension system to ensure that the wheels are positioned correctly relative to one another and the road surface. The four primary angles that are measured and adjusted during a wheel alignment are: 1. Camber. This angle represents the inward or outward tilt of the wheel when viewed from the front of the vehicle. Proper camber alignment ensures even tire wear and optimal road contact. 2. Toe. This angle measures whether the wheels are pointing inward or outward relative to the center line of the vehicle. Correct toe alignment is essential for straight line stability and preventing excessive tire wear. 3. Caster. This angle measures the forward or backward tilt of the steering pivot point when viewed from the side of the vehicle. Proper caster alignment contributes to steering responsiveness and stability. 4. Thrust. Angle. This angle refers to the relationship between the rear wheels and the vehicle's center line. Correct thrust angle alignment ensures that the vehicle tracks straight without veering to one side. These alignment angles are carefully measured and adjusted by trained technicians using specialized equipment to ensure your vehicle's wheels are positioned correctly according to the manufacturer's specifications. Why wheel alignment is important. Maintaining proper wheel alignment is essential for several reasons. 1. Improved safety. Misaligned wheels can cause the vehicle to pull to one side, making it difficult to control and increasing the risk of accidents. Proper alignment ensures predictable handling and optimal responsiveness, enhancing your safety on the road. 2. Extended tire life. Misaligned wheels can lead to uneven and accelerated tire wear, significantly reducing the lifespan of your tires. Proper alignment ensures even tread wear, allowing you to get the most out of your tires and saving you money on premature replacements. 3. Better fuel efficiency. Misaligned wheels create additional resistance and drag, causing your engine to work harder and consume more fuel. Proper alignment can improve fuel efficiency by reducing rolling resistance and allowing your vehicle to operate more efficiently. 4. Enhanced handling and ride. Quality. Properly aligned wheels ensure that your vehicle responds accurately to steering inputs, providing a smoother and more comfortable ride. Misalignment can lead to vibrations, poor handling, and an overall unpleasant driving experience. 5. Reduced strain on suspension components. Misaligned wheels put extra stress on suspension components, such as ball joints, tie rods, and bushings, causing them to wear out faster. Proper alignment helps extend the life of these components, reducing the need for costly repairs. When to check wheel alignment. While there is no definitive timeline for checking wheel alignment, there are certain situations and signs that indicate it may be time for an alignment check. 1. After a significant impact. If you've hit a pothole, curb, or experienced any other significant impact, it's a good idea to have your wheel alignment checked. Even minor impacts can knock your wheels out of alignment. 2. Uneven tire. Wear. If you notice that your tires are wearing unevenly or excessively on one side, it could be a sign of misalignment. Addressing this issue promptly can help prevent further tire damage. 3. Vehicle pulls to one side. If your vehicle tends to pull or drift to one side while driving on a straight, level road, it's likely due to a misalignment issue. 4. Steering wheel. Off-center. If your steering wheel is not centered when driving straight, it could indicate a misalignment problem. 5. New tires or suspension components. After replacing tires or any suspension components, such as shocks, struts, or control arms, it's recommended to have a wheel alignment performed to ensure proper positioning. 6. Regular maintenance. Even if you don't notice any specific issues, it's a good idea to have your wheel alignment checked periodically as part of your regular vehicle maintenance routine. Many manufacturers recommend checking alignment every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or once a year. And that concludes our discussion on the importance of proper wheel alignment for your vehicle. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY automotive content, and hit that notification bell. Drop your comments below if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover. Until next time, stay safe and happy driving.